Hello everyone, continuing with our topic that was our plates. I have told you about three types: transform boundary, convergent boundary, and divergent boundary. Next one, which we are having, is about the formation of mountains, how the mountains were formed, including the formation of Himalayas. So, before starting this, one thing you all must understand is before there was only one landmass and rest was the ocean. This one landmass was known as under two parts, and this part was known as Gondwana land and this part was Angara land. Now India came into the Gondwana land. So the olden landmass in India is a peninsula which is a part of Gondwana land. The Gondwana land included India, Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica. These all are the countries which were in one single landmass. So the convectional current split the crust into a number of pieces, thus led to drifting of the Indo-Australian plate after being separated from the Gondwana land towards the north. The northward drift resulted in collision of the plate with much larger Eurasian plate. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks were accumulated in the geosyncline known as the Tethys, which formed the mountain system of Western Asia and Himalaya. So it's very simple. Basically, this Gondwana land plate, which I told you just now, that this was a land, and ये वाली जो गोंडवाना लैंड प्लेट है इसमें से दिस पार्ट सी दिस पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया प्लेट इट वेंट टू द यूरेशियन, ये यूरेशियन प्लेट है सपोज, एंड इट गॉट, और इनके बीच में एक वाटर बॉडी थी टेथियस ओशियन. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, ये जो हमारी टेथियस ओशियन है यहाँ पे इसका जो सेडिमेंट था इट अपराइज्ड एंड व्हेन दे बोथ कोलाइडेड द सेडिमेंट्स केम ऑन टू द सर्फेस कॉजिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माउंटेन्स. माउंटेन्स फॉर्म किए उन्होंने. इज इट क्लियर नाउ हाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हिमालयन माउंटेन्स? ग्रेट. सो नेक्स्ट थिंग is the Himalayan, the Gondwana land. It is a southern part of ancient supercontinent Pangaea with Angara land as the northern part. So मैंने आपको अभी भी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि एक पूरा सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट था. ये जो सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट था इसका नेम था पैंजिया और इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड था, नॉर्थ पार्ट एंड साउथ पार्ट. नॉर्थ पार्ट में इधर एक यूरेशियन प्लेट है फाइन, और साउथ पार्ट में जो कंट्रीज़ मैंने आपको बताई थी इनमें से एक थी इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. तो धीरे धीरे क्या था, ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट चेंजेस ये जो पार्ट था ये यहाँ से डिटैच हो गया, और यहाँ से डिटैच होकर ये टेथियस ओशियन से होते हुए इस डायरेक्शन में ड्रिफ्ट हो गया, इन दिस डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स द यूरेशियन प्लेट. सी लेट मी ड्रॉ प्रॉपर डायग्राम. दिस वाज द सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट पैथेज, दैट इज Pangaea. Two parts में divide, north part, south part. This part India, Australia, and this is the Eurasian plate. Yes. Please wait.
क्या करूँ
Yes. This is the Eurasian. I have one more thing. Let me do that. Like this. This was, yeah. ये टेथियस ओशियन है हमारा, एंड ये अगर इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया है टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड, एंड ये यूरेशियन प्लेट है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, दिस ड्रिफ्टेड फ्रॉम हियर टुवर्ड दिस, मीन्स इस डायरेक्शन में, इन दिस डायरेक्शन इट मूव्ड. और जब ये इस डायरेक्शन में मूव करी तो ये जो टेथियस ओशियन है इसके सेडिमेंट्स अपराइज हो गए like this, and hence when they collided mountains were formed. This I'll show you with proper diagram also. The Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and subsidence of the northern flank of Peninsula Plateau. Now ये तो फिर इसी मेथड में जब हिमालयस फॉर्म हुए then there was a formation of the northern plains also. Before this, let's see in detail about the Himalayan formation. So, can you see a detailed picture of Gondwana land? It will make you clear. See, this is the Gondwana land, and in this Gondwana land, you can observe the different plates or in-game movement. South African plate, African plate, Antarctican, Arabian, Indian, and Australian. These two plates got detached and they moved towards the Eurasian plate. So, same thing we are having, that how was the formation of Himalaya took place. The earth crust was divided in number of places. Now, the Indo-Australian plate separated from Gondwana land and drifted towards the north, which resulted in the collision with the much larger Eurasian plate. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks which were accumulated in the geosyncline known as Tethys were folded and they formed the mountain system of Western Asia. Now, I hope it is clear how does it take place. So, can you see the formation of Himalayas? We have also learned in my previous module that about conversion when the two blocks of plates come towards each other. So, this is a destructive movement we have learned. Same thing happened, that the crust of Eurasian plate was heavier and Indian Australian plate was lighter. So, when they both collided, the destructive movement or convergent movement was formed and one seeped in, another came over. But due to Tethys Ocean also was present there, then the sediments got arised, and so else the sediments were uprised in this manner. So you can observe here also that how the Himalayas were formed. I hope it is clear. So this was Pangaea. Now you can see this is the Eurasian plate and this is the Indian Australian plate. So this drifted in this direction in the Tethys Ocean. This was the Tethys Ocean. So these two drifted in the direction, and here was the Tethys Ocean. So now when they collided, then the sediments were formed and the Himalayas were also formed like in this motion. So I hope it is clear to everyone about our whole thing, that how Himalayas were formed. Thank you and have a nice day.